Hello students, today we are going to continue lesson number 14, division part 2. In today's video, we will learn to solve word problems. Remember, we have to perform division while making equal parts or distribution and also to find the value of one from many. So students, when we have to make equal parts or distribute anything or to find the value of one thing from many, we will do division. Let us solve some examples. If the total cost of 3 compass boxes is rupees 90, what is the cost of one compass box? So students, if we have the total cost of 3 compass box is rupees 90 and we have to find out the cost of one compass box. So let us solve. If the total cost of 3 compass boxes is rupees 90, then the cost of one compass box is equal to 90 divided by 3. So we will draw curved line and slipping line. We will write 90 below slipping line and 3 in the curved line. As we are dividing by 3, we will write 3 times tables till we get digit 9 in the product. So 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Here 12 is bigger than 9. Here 12 is bigger than 9. And we got here 3 threes are 9. So we will first divide 3 by 3. So 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Now we will take down this 0 down here. So we will write 0 down. Now we will do again division by 3 zeros are 0. So 3 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Now we got your answer, that is 30. We will write in statement. The cost of one compass box is rupees 30. Now next example. If 31 liters of milk are poured into 4-liter vessels, how many such vessels will be completely filled and how much milk will there be in the partly filled vessels? So students, if we pour 31 liters of milk in 4 liters of vessels, then how many such vessels will be completely filled with 31 liters of milk? We have to find out that, and we have to also find out how much milk will be there in the partly filled vessels. So students, we will write the statement. If 31 liters of milk are poured into 4-liter vessels, so to find number of such vessels completely filled and milk partly filled, we will divide 31 by 4. So we will write 31 below slipping line and 4 in curved line. As we are dividing by 4, we will write 4 time table. 4 zeros are 0. Here as 3 is smaller than 4, so we will first take 0. So 4 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0, we will get answer 3. Now we will take this one down next to 3. So we will write 1 down. Now our number became 31. So we will write tables further. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. Here we have 31 and 32 is bigger than 31. So we cannot minus it. So we will take smaller than this, that is 28. So we will take as 4 7s are 28. So 4, we will write 7 on the top and 28 below 31. Now 31 minus 28, we will get answer 3. So it means that 7 vessels are completely filled and 3 liters of milk is left. So in partly filled vessel there is 3 liters of milk. So we will write the statement. 7 vessels will be completely filled and 3-liter milk will be there in the partly filled vessels. Next example. There are 87 beads. How many necklaces of 9 beads each can be made, and how many beads will be left over? So students, we have 87 beads. Now we have to find out how many necklaces we can make by using 9 beads in each necklace. And we have to also find out how many beads will be left over. So students, we will write a statement. If each necklace can be made by 9 beads, so to find number of such necklaces made from 87 beads and beads left over, we will divide 87 by 9. So we will write 87 below slipping line and 9 in the curved line. As we are dividing by 9, we will use 9 timetables. So we will write 9 timetables. 9 zeros are 0. Students, here in 87, first digit is 8 and 8 is smaller than 9. So first we will divide by 0. As 8 is smaller than 9, we will take 9 zeros are 0. So 9 zeros are 0. So 1 0 will write here and other 0 will write down, which is the product. So 9 Zeros are 0. 0 on the top and 0 below the 8. Now 8 minus 0, we will get the answer 8. Now we will take this 7 down next to 8. So we will write 7 down. Our number became 87. Now we will say 9 timetables further. So 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Here 9 10s are 90, but we have here 87. So 90 is bigger than 87. So we will take smaller number than 90, that is 81. So here 9 9s are 81. So we will write 9 on the top and 81 below 87. 87 minus 81, we will get the answer 6. So students, we can make 9 necklaces from 87 beads using 9 beads in each necklace, and 6 beads will left. So we will write the final answer in statement. 9 necklaces can be made from 87 beads and 6 beads will left over. Next example, how many bouquets can be made from 340 flowers with 8 flowers in each bouquet? How many flowers will be left over? So students, here we have to find out two answers. How many bouquet we can make from 8 flowers, and how many flowers will left over from 340 flowers. So students, we will write the statement. If 8 flowers in each bouquet, so to find number of such bouquet made from 340 flowers and flower left over, we will divide 340 by 8. So we will write 340 below slipping line and 8 in the curved line. As we are dividing by 8, we will write 8 timetables. So 8 zeros are 0. As 3 is smaller than 8, we will first divide by 0. So we will write 8 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Now we will take the digit 4 down here next to 3. So we will write 4 down. Now our number is become 34. So first we will write 8 timetables further till we get number 34. So 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. Now 40 is bigger than 34. So we will take smaller number, that is 32. So we will take 8 4s are 32. We will divide 4 times 8. So we will write 4 on the top and 32 below 34. Now we will minus 34 minus 32. 34 minus 32, we will get the answer 2. Now we will take this 0 down next to 2. So we will write 0 down. Now our number is become 20. So we will find out here which number we can take here. 3 8 3s are 24. 24 we cannot minus from 20. So we will take smaller than it, that is 16. So we will divide how many times now? 2 times. 8 2s are 16. So we will write 2 on the top and 16 down below 20. Now 20 minus 16, we will get the answer 4. So students, we can make 42 bouquets from 340 flowers and 4 flowers will left. So we will write in statement our final answer. 42 bouquets can be made from 340 flowers and 4 flowers will left over. Next example. If we put 6 biscuits in one packet, how many packets can be made from 600 biscuits? We will write the statement. If we put 6 biscuits in one packet, so to find number of packets can be made from 600 biscuits, we will divide 600 by 6. So we will write 600 below slipping line, 6 in the curved line. As we are dividing by number 6, we will write 6 timetables. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 12 is bigger than 6. So we will write 6 ones are 6. So we will take 6 ones are 6. We will divide 6 one time. So we will write 1 on the top and 6 below 6. 6 minus 6, we will get answer 0. Now we will take this 0 down next to this 0. So we will write 0 down. Now we will divide 6 0 times. So 6 zeros are 0. Write the 0 down, minus it, we will get answer 0. Now again we have to take this 0 down and divide it. So again 6 we will write down and we will divide again with 0. So 0 on the top, 1 0 down, subtract it, we will get the answer 0. So students, here we got the answer, final answer, which we will write in statement. 100 packets can be made from 600 biscuits. So students, I hope you must have learned how to solve word problem of division. So do the practice. Thank you.